Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel to do things. As you all know, we have started Lead Code 50 sequel series where we'll be solving all these SQL related problems. So now we are in the basic aggregate functions related problems. So we have solved joins questions and basic select questions we have solved already. If you haven't watched those videos, go to my channel and check out my playlist where you will find each and every video in a series order. So now we are going to solve not boring movies problem. So the problem number is 620. Let's see the schema first and now then we'll break down the problem solution and then we'll write the query. So cinema is the table. They have given ID, movie and description, rating are the things which we have here. So ID is the primary key and then which is the unique values and then movie name and description and rating. So which kind of movie it is, the description like genre, everything will be there, and movie and rating, everything related to movie details, and rating is of two decimal places float in the range of 0 to 10. So what they're asking now is they're asking us to write a solution to list out or report the movies with an odd numbered ID. So with odd number ID is nothing but which is not an even, right? So which is not an even is nothing but a odd number ID, and description is not boring. So this is in a not condition. Let we write this odd number is nothing but not an even number. So now result in are asking in an order like order by rating in descending order. So we have to mention if it is a descending order. If it is a ascending order, order by rating. If we did that, that is enough. So descending order they are asking. Let's see the input so that we can understand. Cinema table is there with 5 records. First record and second record is having some description, and everything is having some description and rating. If you see the output, there are 5 and 1 records only because they are asking as an odd numbered one. So 1 is an odd, and again 3 is an odd, and 5 is an odd. So 135 is an odd number that should come. Again, they are asking one more condition like the description is should be not boring. Only they want those things. If it's a boring, we have to ignore that also. So 3 is also not there. So 1 and 5 as an output here you can see. 5 house card and 1 is a war. Description is interesting and great 3D but not boring kind of thing. Here movies are odd numbers with 135 and the movie ID with 3 is boring, so we don't include that in the answer. So we are finally getting 5 and 1 IDs as an output. So let's see query how we can write this query. Let me start with a simple select. Let me select everything as of now, and then we'll see what specific what they are asking. We have to take this from a cinema as a table. uh, what we have to take odd numbers one, that is nothing but if we it is an odd, that should be not an even, right? So if it is divided with 2, so that will be 0. If it is an even, I should have to know which is not an even, so not equal to 0. And also other condition they're asking on description, right? So description should not be a boring kind of thing, should not which is an boring is a string, right? Boring, just not a boring. And also they're asking one more thing, that is order by what they have asking with the rating they are asking, and that should be in descending order. These things they are asking, right? So see in the output what they are selecting. ID, movie description, right? Everything they are selecting is fine. And not equal to an even number, that is an odd IDs will only get, and description should also be not boring. These things they are asking. Let me run the solution. So yeah, it's accepted. The other kind of thing what we can write here, we can just write the things only whatever we want, that is ID, description, name and rating. So this is the better practice, and optimize it query to select the required things, okay? Should not get an entire table kind of things. So this is the optimized solution to get mention only the required things, okay? Let me run this and show you that that thing also will work. See, results we are getting, everything is as required. So what are the other things which we can do is not equal to symbol, we can use that, or we can also use this symbol not equals to. Yeah, this is also fine. So by using this also that will work. Let me just comment out this part and just run or submit this. So that will definitely work. Okay. So here one thing which you have to remember is you can go with an odd number check also, but here I'm using not equal to even is nothing but odd numbers only will get. So this is the solution for this. Let me submit this. So I hope you have understood this simple query. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section. Or any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely happy to reply your comments. So that's all for this video. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Share these videos to your friends and colleagues who are at learning stage of SQL kind of things. And that's all for now. Let's see in the next video. Bye bye.